Welcome back, my students. I'm Ellie at EnglishFunZone.com, and today we're going to be talking about prefixes that mean not. So let's get started. When talking about prefixes that mean not, people explain that you need a root word and then add the prefix. For example, happy would be the root word, and by adding un, changes it to unhappy, which is the opposite of happy. The root word would be friendly, and this dog is unfriendly. My dog is friendly. My dog is unfriendly. But unfortunately, this doesn't always happen. Let's look at some examples. Ignorant, 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 ignorant. He's ignorant. He doesn't know what he's doing. He's ignorant. He doesn't know what he's doing. Ignore, ignore, ignore. She ignored him. She ignored him. Mistake, mistake, mistake. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Mishap, mishap, mishap. I had a little mishap on my bike. I had a little mishap on my bike. Distant, 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 distant. They seemed a bit distant. They seemed a bit distant. They seemed a bit distant. See what I mean? Okay, so my advice to you is to memorize these words by putting them into useful sentences and then practice using them with other speakers of English. So when you're talking to someone, try to use these words in your conversations. Great job. I hope you found those useful. Let's look at some other prefixes that mean not. Dishonest, 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 dishonest. He's dishonest. He's dishonest. He's dishonest. Atypical. Atypical. Is that atypical? Is that atypical? Abnormal. Abnormal. Isn't that abnormal? Isn't that abnormal? Isn't that abnormal? Antisocial. Antisocial. Why are you being so antisocial? Why are you being so antisocial? Illegal. Illegal. Wasn't that illegal? Wasn't that illegal? impossible, impossible, impossible. Why is that impossible? Why is that impossible? Insecure, insecure, insecure. Does he feel insecure? Does he feel insecure? Irrelevant, 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 irrelevant. Did they say it was irrelevant? Did they say it was irrelevant? Did they say it was irrelevant? Irrelevant, irrelevant. And no, there aren't any rules as to when to use on or ig or miss. There isn't a rule. So again, you're going to have to memorize these words by putting them into useful sentences and practicing with a native speaker. Now, before we leave today, I did have a special request from one of my YouTube subscribers who asked me to say the words peer and pure. Ear, 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 peer, peer, pure, 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 pure. Well, my students, that's it for this video. I hope you'll come back again next week because I'll have another one for you. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching, my students, and until next time, keep practicing. Bye.